Customers have relied on Peerless chains to provide them with maximum tire traction in mud and snow. Now Peerless Chain Company's innovative bulk Duo-Trac program continues to revolutionize the way that tractor chains are inventoried and purchased. You no longer have to worry about being out of stock of a particular tire size again. You can build over 55 different tire sizes from only 3 distinct Peerless stock numbers. Chains are built from a continuous length of partially assembled tire chain. You simply cut the chain to the correct length and attach the end fasteners. Short ends can be reconnected or sold as repair parts, so there is no waste. The Duo-Trac Type DT design is based upon an H-pattern cross chain and rides on top of the tire, providing maximum traction in mud and snow. Peerless Chain's bulk Duo-Trac program delivers lower inventories, higher productivity, and most importantly, more satisfied customers. In the next few minutes, we will demonstrate the fabrication of a pair of chains using the instructions that are sent with each drum of Duo-Trac chains. To fabricate a pair of chains yourself, you will need a few tools. These tools are not included in the Duo-Trac kit. You will need a bolt cutter to cut the side chain from the cross member, a Peerless Super Truck pliers to open and close hooks on the end fasteners, and a regular pliers to spread a cotter pin on the side chain lock. Each Duo-Trac bulk drum contains the following: 10 side chain lever hooks, 10 fingertip hooks, 5 bags for assembled chains, an instruction sheet on how to assemble the Duo-Trac chain, and enough chain to produce 2 pair of the largest tire covered by that stock number. Step 1. It is important that your customer know the size of tires on his tractor. From the specifications on page 4 of the instruction sheet, determine the correct drum of Duo-Trac type tire chains, and determine the number of cross members per half pair for that tire size. After this is done, pull enough bulk chain from the drum to assemble 1/2 pair. Lay out the chain with the cross chain hooks facing up. Again, stop and double check the instructions. Step 2. Using the bolt cutter, cut and remove the first side chain link as shown in the instructions. For example, if the table calls for 6 cross members, cut as shown in the illustration. Again, check the instructions before cutting to make sure the number of cross members is correct. It will take 1 cut on each side chain or 2 cuts per half pair. Remember to measure twice and cut once. Step 3. Next, using the Peerless Super Truck tire chain pliers, open the cross chain hook shown on the instructions and separate the cross member from the chain which is still in the drum. Step 4. Again, use the Peerless Super Truck pliers to remove the cross chain hooks from the cross member legs. Replace the cross chain hooks with the fingertip hooks which are furnished with the drum of chain. Close the fingertip hook as illustrated in the instruction sheet with the Super Truck pliers. Step 5. To assemble the 2 heavy side chain lever locks to the side chain, it will be necessary to pinch the cross chain hooks, which are still attached to the side chain, to allow the lever lock body to fit into the side chain link. Put the body of the lever lock into the side chain link. Slip the retaining disc on the body. Position the lever and insert the pin through the body and lever and attach the cotter pin. Then fold back the legs of the cotter pin using standard pliers. This will hold the lock together. Step 6. If back spacing is not specified, reference the tire size specifications table on page 4 of the instruction sheet. You have assembled 1/2 pair of Duo-Trac tractor tire chains. Place in bag and mark tire size on bag. If back spacing is specified, see illustration on the instruction sheet. Open the first cross chain hooks on the end opposite the lever locks and move the hooks back toward the cross member, 2 side chain links. You should have 8 free side chain links on the end. Fasten and reclose the cross chain hooks. Then repeat these steps for the second half pair. If you have any questions on ordering, assembly, or applications, please contact our customer service department. And remember, think Snow.